Would you like to change the way that you eat the oats? And I'm going to show you how to do oats and potato cakes for this recipe. I'm using 100 grams quick oats, and into that I'm going to add 100 milliliters boiling water and mix it. Add the salt and pepper and leave it aside. And the other ingredients are 200 grams potatoes, 1 clove garlic, 1 small carrot, 1 small onion, quarter bunch of chives and some fresh parsley. So let's start doing this. So simple and easy. Chop the parsley and the chives. And add into the oats. Cut the onion as fine as you can. Add into the oats. Now the garlic. Add the garlic and grate the carrot and the potatoes using a fine grater. Add that into now the potato. And mix everything together. This is a vegan and a vegetarian recipe, and oats here helps to bind everything together. And leave it few minutes on the bench top. Now let's do the patties. For that I put plastic wrapping on my chopping board. Going to apply some oil too, so it's easy to release it, and then add some oil onto your palm. Take like 2 tablespoons of the mixture. Make balls and press like little pancakes. You can make it bigger or smaller, it's up to you. This size, easy to put upside down. Now put it on the plastic. Let's do all at once, if not you need to keep on washing your hands. So they are ready. Now I'm going to cook it. You can do it in shallow oil or even just a little bit oil on the pan. Now add some oil into a pan. Just a bit. Put the oat cakes on the pan. When you do this, make sure to control the heat. Always cook it on a low heat because the potatoes and the carrots are raw. If you have a lid for the pan, always close the lid so the steam helps to cook quickly. After, put it upside down few times. After, put it upside down again and cook on both sides, turning few times until they are golden brown and well cooked. So they are ready, nice golden and crunchy. I'm going to serve this directly with some sour cream. And it's a really nice way of doing the breakfast or a snack, or for kids' lunch boxes or for yours. And this is a quick recipe for you to try at home. See you next time.